Try this. Drink some water. I know what I'll do. You need some help. Georgia. Don't worry. I got this. Hi, toy fella. I'll be okay in a second. It's okay. Bro! That was a good one, huh? I think he's cured.
1-800-FELLA. Help is just a broke kick away.
He's still not moving, though. He's got insurance, right? I don't know. He's got insurance.